This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a hard shake in Alight motion. Start by creating a composition and importing your clip, then set the frame rate to 60 FPS for smoother motion. Trim the clip and mark the beat or impact point where you want the shake to peak. Add a position keyframe at the beat, then offset neighboring keyframes slightly to create a jittery, punchy motion that reads well on screen. Refine timing by splitting your clips and staggering keyframes to create rhythm and impact. Use easing curves to soften sudden jumps and experiment with exponential or cubic curves for smoother transitions. Layer multiple shake elements like position, rotation, and scale with slightly different offsets to mimic camera movement. Keep motion blur consistent across layers and reduce amplitude. Balance intensity with duration by testing short and long shakes to see which reads best on screen. Use adjustment layers for non-destructive editing and copy keyframes between layers to save time. Consider sound design to sell the impact, syncing shake peaks with hits or whooshes for cinematic feel. Save presets of your favorite shake settings for future projects and always preview at final resolution before exporting. Label your layers clearly to avoid confusion during complex edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.